Why do tall buildings need deep foundations? Imagine trying to build a tower that reaches into the sky. It's not just about designing a tall structure. The ground beneath it plays a huge role in making sure it stands tall and safe. When skyscrapers grow taller, they face a big challenge: how to support all that weight without sinking or tilting. That's where deep foundations come in. They are the secret behind some of the tallest buildings in the world. Tall buildings are incredibly heavy. Their weight is concentrated in a small area at the bottom. If the surface sill is soft or loose, it can't hold all that weight without compressing or shifting. This can cause uneven settling, which might crack the building or make it unsafe. Shallow foundations, like simple concrete pads or spread footings, sit near the surface. But they aren't strong enough for skyscrapers because the soft surface soils can't support the load. Deep foundations solve this problem by extending for below the surface. They reach into stronger, more stable sill layers or bedrock. This way, the entire weight of the building is transferred down to ground that can handle it. For example, in cities like Chicago, where the sill is made of soft glacial clay, early skyscrapers failed because they sank unevenly. Engineers responded by creating caisson foundations. These are large shafts drilled through the soft soil to reach hard pan or bedrock. Once in place, they act like giant piers, holding the building steady. Today, engineers use piles made of concrete or steel that are driven or drilled deep into the ground. These piles can be over 100 feet long, reaching dense sand or rock layers. They transfer the building's weight through friction, along their sides, or by resting on solid ground. For very tall structures, the foundation design also considers how to resist lateral forces like wind or earthquakes. Engineers often use pile-supported mats that spread the load evenly at depth, keeping the building stable. Deep foundations are essential because they prevent the building from sinking or tilting over time. They allow us to push the limits of height while ensuring safety. Without them, skyscrapers would be at risk of failure, especially on challenging soils. The development of these foundations marked a major milestone in engineering history. It made it possible to build taller, more ambitious structures on a variety of ground conditions. So, in essence, deep foundations are what keep our tallest buildings standing tall and proud, no matter what the ground beneath them is like.